Fusion markets.
Here's how to use the right lot size for your trades using a trading calculator. In the Fusion Markets website, go to the Trading tab and click on Trading Calculators under Resources. Next, click on Pip Value. In this example, we will use Forex, but there are other choices here depending on what you want to trade. Then, select the symbol you wish to trade and choose the base currency of your trading account. If you want to trade one lot of Aussie versus US dollars, 15.26 AUD will be traded per pip. Lastly, you can alter the lot size depending on how much you want to risk per pip.